Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Learn Academy. Today I will discuss with you another question from 2022 to 23 question paper Makout AIML Linear Algebra. Question number 3. So that A is equal to 1 0 I 0 2 3 plus I minus I 3 minus I minus 1 is Hermitian. What is Hermitian matrix? A Hermitian matrix is a square matrix that is equal to the conjugate transpose of itself. That means A is equal to A conjugate transpose. Rewrite it. A is equal to 1 0 minus I 0 2 3 minus I 3 plus I minus 1. At first conjugate of A that means A bar is equal to, what is conjugate matrix? Conjugate matrix is a matrix in which each element is replaced by its complex conjugate. Here replace I with minus I every element. 1 0 replace I with minus I 0 2 3 minus I, as here it is plus, so opposite sign required, minus I, that means plus I, 3 minus I means 3 plus I minus 1. So it is conjugate matrix. Again we find conjugate transpose. Conjugate transpose of A is equal to, first row will be first column, 1 0 minus I will be first column, 0 2 3 minus I 0 2 3 minus I, second row will be second column, third row will be third column. So we see the A matrix is 1 0 minus I 1 0 minus I 0 2 3 minus I 0 2 3 minus I 3 plus I minus 1. We rewrite it A. Hence A conjugate transpose is equal to A. By the definition of Hermitian matrix, thus A is Hermitian. Proof. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel Easy Learn Academy.